Welcome to our automation tester channel. Today we'll talk about Playwright elements interaction. We'll talk about interact with web elements in Playwright, clicks, text import, dropdowns, checkbox, uploads, keyboard, mouse, etc. Demonstrate each interactor type with code examples and best practice. Practical test writing with UI elements. Ability to automate realistic scenario like login form, search, and form submission. Clicking and navigating. Page click, this is web elements. Click by text or by row. This code, await page click, this is a text equal login. Await page get by row, this is a button. Button have name submit and click this button. Typing and filling imports. Page filling function for import box. Page type for the character by character typing. The code await page filling fill. This is web elements. This is text. This is something text web elements and text. Dropdown select web elements. Page select option. Work with the value, label, and the index. Here code. Await page select option. This is web elements. This is value. And here is web elements. This is label. Checkbox and radio buttons. Page check function ensure this web elements is checked. Uncheck function ensure unchecked. The page is unchecked for validation. This is called await page. Check this web elements. Wait page uncheck this web element. File uploads. Use page .set import file function. Support simple multiple file. Await page set import file. This is a web element. This is a import file name. Keyboard action. Tap key like the enter, tap, arrow down. Await page get the keyboard, press keyboard, enter key. Get keyboard, press tap key. Mouse action, hover, draw and drop, scroll. Await page, hover to this web elements. And here is mouse move to this position. And mouse click this position. A session with interaction. After interacting, validate outcome. Await, expect this page web elements have text welcome. And here is a wait page. And this page have URL. URL include dashboard. Okay, let's look at the web page and see what we want to test. In this web page, we call the web elements and locate. We want to test something web elements in this page. Like if I want to click the button, this we want to test. And also we want to test add text in the text box. And in the text area also we want to test. Another we want to test the checkbox. Also test radio button. And the drop-down list. This is a drop-down list age. We want to select a value. And also we want to test, choose the file. You see, is the file is chosen. Okay, let's look the code. On the tests folder, I add elements, this file. And also this file is look like this one. First line, import Playwright test expect. Also we have the describe block, test block. And this is before each test have this one. And the first one, like click on web page. We have the web page, we go to this home page. Then on the home page, we have the test. Let me see this one. On this home page, this test, so click this one and also click web element. You see here is the first test is equal tests, and click the test equal web elements. Then expect this page contain correct URL. This is URL. We make sure it's correct. Then first test is for the test button 1 is this one. Go to this page, then find the button 1, and this is we use bezel, not bad text, bezel, and this is button, and also the name is button 1. This another one of the test. And another test use the test text. This is we have this one. Okay, and then we go to the field import. Is go to the page, then find the text 2. This is the import and put this text in this box. And also import text area 3. Find the text area 3. Put this text in the text area 3. Drop down. Go to this page and find, you see the select age, page weight, select option. And this option is age, label is age, and the select value is 12. And file upload. File upload is first go to this page and verify it's in the correct page. Then use this site import file. This is a web elements. We use file 3. This is a class, and the type is file. and put this is for the file and under this folder. So we give the file name. After import file, we check the file is in the path. Checkbox. This is the checkbox 1. Use the ID. So await page dot check. This is the web element. Radio button 2. You see here is use the page dot check. This is the radio button 2. Use the name import. Radio button 2 use its name. Check. Keyboard action. So this is first find the text 2. This is name and tap the admin and keyboard press. This is the enter key. Let's run all the tests. So right click and here is run test in current file. Okay, we have the 8 tests. All the tests pass. Also, if you want to see the in the web page test, you can use this one. Is like a debug test in current file, or you can run the debug test in a cursor. So if I run this one, you see is open web browser and do it. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to follow us our update, please subscribe. See you next time.